Hello everyone, this is Devasis Misra. Today we will discuss Ohm's Law Virtual Lab. In my previous video, I have shown you how virtual lab can be conducted using superposition theorem. So in my video, I will show you how Ohm's Law will be happen by using virtual lab. So just follow my instruction and you will get everything. Just go to the Google search, write down Ohm's Law Virtual Lab. You can see here Ohm's Law Virtual Lab IIT Kharagpur. Just click here. Now you can see theory, procedure, simulation, quiz, assessment, reference. Previously I have told you just click on simulation. Now verification of Ohm's Law, you just click on Ohm's Law. Now this is the circuit. Here instruction is there. Just read the instruction. Set the resistance value between 1 kilo ohm to 100 kilo ohm. Set the DC voltage 0 to 30 volt. So first you just set the value of resistance in between 1 to 100 kilo ohm. So just set the value resistance. Suppose I took it 5. Suppose I took it 5. Then DC voltage, suppose I take it 30. Okay. So now you can see your voltmeter is connected parallel and your ammeter is connected in series. Here also in instruction it is written voltmeter is placed parallel to resistor and ammeter in series with the resistor. Okay. So now VI is there, then just click on add to table. Now you can see here resistance is 5, voltage is 30, then current is 6, V is equal to IR. Got my point? Then click on plot. Now you can see plot here. Okay, this is your current axis, this is your voltage axis. Now this is the point. Got my point, students? Very good. Next, you just constant the value of resistance 5 and vary the voltage. Suppose I change this to 25. Okay, resistance is constant. I change the voltage to 25. So add to table. Now resistance is 5, voltage is 25. Now it is current is 5. Then plot. You can see. Clear, students? Next, you just the change voltage to 20. 20. Okay, resistance is constant. So add to table. Here resistance is 5, voltage is 20, your current is 4. So just plot. Now you can see. Clear, students? Any doubt you can comment me in my comment box. So now just do it 15. Voltage is 15. Just add to table. 15, 5, current is 3. Just plot it. Clear, students? Now make it 10. 10. Okay. Add to table. Then plot. Clear? This is Ohm's law. Now just change it to 5. 5. Okay. Add to table. 5. Current is 1. Plot. Clear, students? This is your Ohm's law. It will be straight line. now it is straight line. So in this procedure you can do the experiment of Ohm's law. Okay, clear students? Okay, next, if you will draw the circuit, Ohm's law, draw circuit, then you see how will you do. Ohm's law, draw circuit. You see, just read the instruction. First, connect the components as mentioned below. L1 to L3. Here you can see L1 to L3. Just connect it. Clear? Then L3 to L7. This is 3, this is 7. Just connect it. L4 to L5. L4 to L5. L4 to L8. L4 to L8. Then L6 to L9. L6 to L9. L9 to L12. L9 to L12. Clear students? In this particular manner you will connect it. Then second point is just check connection button to check the connection. This is the check connection button. Here you can see right connection, set the resistance and input DC voltage. Just click on OK. Your connection is right. So take some value of resistance. Suppose I took 5. Okay. DC voltage same you can see. Suppose I will take it 20. Okay students. So now add to the table same 25. Your current is 4. So plot. This is the point. Okay my student. Then change into the 15. Okay, add to table 15 5 3. Plot. Got my point students? Then just change it to 10. Add to table. Voltage is 10, resistance is 5, current is 2. So just plot it. Clear students? Then just make it 5. Okay. Add to table 5, resistance is 5, current is 1. Just plot it. 1, just straight line. Okay. In 2 method we knew that how we will conduct the Ohm's law experiment. It is very important my dear students. You just practice it. If any type of problem will come, just comment me in comment section. I will make you understand. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.